Hello and welcome. Today's video is about a sale announcement. We'll have more content dropping as regular on Wednesday and Sunday. And if you're seeing this video because you got an email from us and you've never even been to our YouTube page, you just clicked on it, subscribe to it. Check out the content. We've got a whole season of educational content for free. We're working on season 2 right now in our 10x10 grow tent that's right here in the store. So check that out. But let me bring you up to speed on the reason why we made this video. It became a possibility this year that we could organize our inventory system and organize and automate our build systems and our ordering and our purchasing system across thousands of SKUs to finally be organized enough where we'll always have product in stock, we can always ship it on time, and if we can't, we have a reason and we communicate it with you, and we communicate that to you on the product page. You can check out our shipping policy at Buildasoil and then give you some more information. But the sale, we have a lot in stock. We want to start to monitor that system as we sell. We want to make back to stock and we want to stress test the system. So we're going to do kind of a random sale across a few different categories. That'll be very good for you. It'll teach us about our new system and it'll prepare us for the busy season next year, which means that we're going to have to spend millions more than we've ever spent before across thousands of SKUs to honor this 30 to 44 day system going into busy season. And to do it right, we really need to test it. So here's the sale, here's what it looks like and how you can help. Go to buildasoil.com. The sale is gonna last from right now when you see this video, we've already published it, until Friday at midnight. So Friday at midnight is when the sale ends. Right now we have soil sale, and I'm gonna go into detail, there's a few specials. We have a bloom season sale and a craft blend sale. So on the soil, all of our soil, we have Buildasoil 3.0, the Light, the LOS Ollie, the LOS Malibu, it's all on sale right now for 20% off. Normally, we don't do a soil-specific sale because we're never able to keep up with incoming supply, manufacturing it, and getting it back out. When we have multiple truckload orders, it becomes very difficult to manage the chaos of how many yards and cubic footers. And now we're totally on top of it. We've got a 41-day supply. And when you place an order, we're gonna make more soil to fill the supply back up so we never go short. The other thing that does is it means that our soil is fully cooked, prepared, and waiting. So we've really leveled up. And to honor that, we're doing 20% off all of our soil recipes, cubic footers, yards, whatever you want, take advantage of it. We also have a few kits. So one of them you're familiar with, it's called the Take and Bake kit. That's gonna be on sale, 10% off right now. And we also have the new mini soil kits. And this is replacing kind of a confusing product. We had our no-till bundle, we've just revamped it. And a lot of customers were confused about what they were buying when they went to the bundle page. So we removed the soil kits and now it's just the product bundle when you go to the no-till bundle. To fill in what we took out, we created a new product section and it's called the mini soil kits. And if you look there, we have 3 kits right now, which are pretty cool. They all include free shipping and they're all 10% off right now as we launch the mini soil kit for the first time. 3 kits. The first one is the Earth Box kit. It's free shipping. It comes with 1 Earth Box. It comes with the wheels. It also comes with 1 bag of soil to fill it, and you're still gonna have a little room. So we send you 2 gallons of our Build-A-Flower compost to build the mulch layer in. If you choose to get the upgrade kit, you'll have Kashi and Craft Blend with it. The upgrade kit works because you can buy multiple mini soil kits and 1 upgrade kit will work for many. Next, we have a 10-gallon kit. It used to be a 15-gallon and we'd send you 2 bags of soil. That pretty much filled it to the brim. And when we were giving away the shipping, now you didn't have room in your container to add more. So we switched to a 10-gallon with 1 bag of soil plus the 2 gallons Build-A-Flower, and that fills the 10-gallon rather nicely, leaves you a little room for mulch. And then we made a double, which is the 20-gallon kit. And now you get a 20-gallon, 2 bags of soil, which is 15 gallons, couple gallons of Build-A-Flower, which keeps you up to the top of that 20-gallon. And you can always add the upgrade, which is the Craft Blend and the Kashi blend. So check out the mini soil kits. It's an easy way to get a container and some soil and know what your landed cost is because it's free shipping. And right now that's 10% off, so it's a killer value. On top of that, we ran a bloom season sale earlier. In fact, at buildasoil.com, you can check out where the product description, if you scroll down, it says popular bloom products. That entire category is gonna stay on the front page and it's all gonna be 10% off, except for the Craft Blend, which is our best-selling product, and that's gonna be 25% off. The J-Plant Speaker Q, that's in the bloom season products, and it's very difficult for us to keep in stock. I know we just got over 100 kilos landed, and we just released 2 new sizes. So this will be the only opportunity for you to get a discounted price, the best price that we've ever had on the new ones, which is an 8-ounce size or a baller bucket 5 kilo size. So take advantage of that. 10% off Bloom products, 25% off our most popular craft blend, 20% off all of our soil products, and then 10% off our free shipping kits, which are the Take and Bake and the mini soil kits. Super appreciate you watching this video. I hope you fully take advantage of the sale. It only goes on until Friday at midnight, so make sure you take advantage of it before that's over. And we'll probably send out one last email letting you know when it's gonna end to confirm it all, since we've got different time zones and everything like that. And just thank you for being a customer. Thank you for getting us to the point where we actually have the battle to get the computers and the inventory and the purchasing and everything aligned so we can even do this. It's been an honor doing this with you, and we can't wait to get better into next year, and this is just the beginning. If you've got any questions, hit up our live chat, email support@Buildasoil, or just give us a phone call. We've got live humans that are ready to help.